It was narrated from Muawiyah that he cut the hair of the Prophet with the edge of an arrow during his Umrah al-Marwa. Circa said, "The Messenger of Allah joined Hajj and Umrah and we did so with him. We said, 'Is it just for us, or for all time?' He said, 'No. It is for all time.'" Abu Hurairah narrates that the Holy Prophet Pbuh said, "One Umrah pilgrimage compensates sins till the second Umrah is performed. The reward of the accepted hajj is heaven." Ibn Masud reports that the Holy Prophet Pbuh said, "Perform hajj and umrah consecutively, as they remove poverty and sins as the furnace removes dirt from iron, gold and silver. The reward of the accepted hajj is heaven." It was narrated from Surqa bin Malik bin Jusham said, "O Messenger of Allah, do you think that this umrah of ours is for this year only, or for all time?" The Messenger of Allah said, "It is for all time." Amr bin Uz narrated from Abdurrahman bin Abi Bakr. The Prophet ordered Abdurrahman bin Abi Bakr to accompany Aisha to perform Umrah from At-Tanim. Ibn Abbas narrated that the Prophet said, "Umrah has been entered into Hajj until day of resurrection." Narrated Abu Hurairah, Allah's Apostle said, "The performance of Umrah is an expiation for the sins committed between it and the previous one. And the reward of Hajj Mabrur, the one accepted by Allah, is nothing except paradise." Narrated Urwa bin Az-Zubair, I asked Aisha whether the Prophet had performed Umrah in Rajab. She replied, "Allah's Apostle never performed any Umrah in Rajab." Abu Hurairah narrated that the Messenger of Allah said, "Umrah to Umrah atones for sins between them, and for a one Hajj al-Mabrur there is no reward except paradise."